Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check the email linked to your Twitch account. So first you are going to open Twitch and log into your account. So you will see on the top right corner your profile icon. You just click here, then you are going to access the settings, and then on the top, as you can see here, from the different sections you are going to choose security and privacy. You just click here, and then as you can see here you will find your email either in contact or security. Both you will find your email linked to your Twitch account. So if you want to check it with your phone, it's the same things. You are going to access your profile icon, then you choose the settings, then you are going to click on privacy, and you will find your email as the first option in the here. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.